Man, I was just out here just planting, taking care of the garden and stuff like that, weeding. And guess what came in? Some new birds. So we about to head over where to the post office, and we're gonna go pick them things up. Let's go. Yeah, we about to head over here to the post office. Let's go, guys. Post office. We here. About to pick up some of this. All right, guys, we got them. So we're gonna take them home, put them on our light. Let's see, how many living. My truck is on E. Let me head over here and put some gas in my truck. This was like 92.28 or something like that. So now I gotta go all the way back home to Colossager area, then drive 9 to 10 miles back to the farm, and then go into town and pick my son up at 5:30 and get these baby chickens up under that light, and let's go count these babies. All right, y'all. Appreciate y'all for joining. All right, guys, we made it to the house. All right, we about to open these things up. We about to see how many living. And then you want to make sure you got a tote. I got a bigger tote in there. And I also got a light. I just want to put the strongest ones inside of this tote first. And I also got like a 150-gallon tote in the house that in there too as well, that I'll put them in there. So we'll put them in there to get them under a light, and then we're gonna export them, spread them all out. You know what? Let me go get some water, and we can give them water as soon as they get in there. Stink, y'all. So we're gonna give them some food. We're gonna give them some water. We don't have city water. We have like well water. So, I take them, dip their mouth in that water, make sure they living. All right, so here go the first one. We just want to introduce them to that water. So we just want to let them know that the water is there, the food there, everything there. Because they probably dehydrated. This is what you always want to do. But you got to be careful because you don't want your babies to drown too. That's why I try to, like, when I go to sleep at night, if I can't keep an eye on them, I basically take the water and stuff out when they little like this, because I don't want them to drown in it. They'll start choking and dying. And I appreciate this for Myers Hatchery sending everything back to us, even though our last ones died. So, they send us some healthy ones back. And I appreciate that so much. It's really gonna help my family out. We'll be able to survive through the winter time with some meat and also supply. our Facebook friends and Instagram friends and TikTok friends with some fresh meat birds. But yeah, guys, we got more right here. So far, we don't have none dead. They all alive. So they all came alive. See? Beautiful. So y'all continue watching more of the vlog that we got coming up and learning more about like raising the birds, you know. So this is week 1. We're gonna do plenty more videos of showing you each week how these things. Oh, we got one dead in here. Yeah, we got one dead. So these are the sacrifices you go through when you ordering chickens off the internet. You know, you can learn how to raise your own chickens too as well. So you get you a female with some real fertile eggs. I think males lay some kinds lay eggs too as well, like, you know, chicken eggs. But you really, like, when you raising these, you really your meat birds is really can be a whole bunch of males. Your females are really all your hen that you land. So, you know, you don't want to have a whole bunch of boys with your females. And then a whole bunch of boys together, they'll like fight each other. I noticed one thing too, going and visiting a lot of farms, like the boy like to jump on the backs of the females and scratch them up real bad, man. I noticed that. But each one, I'm just dipping their mouth in the water. So that's what I'm doing. To make sure they know the water is there. And then we're gonna put them under the lights so they can have some heat. And then you'll see them calm down. They won't be screaming like how they're screaming right now. So they'll have some water. So yeah, that's the much as that I put inside of here, and I'm gonna try to put the rest of these inside of the big 100-tote gallon one that we have in there. And y'all watch more videos for update. All right, one love.